The Chinese secret to saving money, wisdom, and strategies. Are you curious about the age-old Chinese wisdom that has helped generations save money and build wealth? Welcome back to Ash Cash Tash. In this video, we're about to unlock the Chinese secret to saving money, sharing ancient wisdom and modern strategies that can transform your financial life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Embracing Chinese heritage. Our guide on this enlightening journey possesses a deep connection to the vibrant tapestry of Chinese culture, enriched by experiences in both the bustling metropolis of Beijing and the dynamic urban landscape of Hong Kong. This profound cultural immersion serves as a cornerstone for comprehending the intricate Chinese perspectives and practices concerning the world of finance and wealth management. The power of saving. Creating the backdrop for our journey into the realm of Chinese financial wisdom, we are immediately confronted with an astonishing fact. As of December 2021, China proudly flaunts a remarkable gross savings rate of 45.9%. This jaw-dropping number stands as a stark contrast to the conspicuous consumption-driven societies that dominate much of the Western world. It signifies a unique perspective on wealth accumulation and financial prudence that is deeply rooted in Chinese culture and history. To truly appreciate and understand the Chinese approach to money, we must delve into the historical and cultural factors that have shaped it over the millennia. Cultural influence on saving. The Chinese cultural emphasis on savings is a lesson that starts at a tender age, instilling a profound understanding that saving money is not just a personal choice but an honorable endeavor. Children in Chinese households are taught the value of thriftiness and the importance of setting aside a portion of their earnings from the moment they begin to handle money. This emphasis on saving isn't confined to mere lessons. It's deeply ingrained in the fabric of Chinese culture. One significant cultural practice that reinforces this belief in saving is the tradition of giving and receiving lucky money. This tradition is especially prevalent during celebrations and festivals like Chinese New Year. During these joyous occasions, elders in the family, typically grandparents, aunts, and uncles, give small red envelopes, known as hongbao, to children and unmarried young adults. These red envelopes contain money, and the act of receiving lucky money symbolizes blessings, good wishes, and most importantly, the encouragement to save and invest for the future. It's a poignant way to pass down the values of frugality and financial responsibility to the younger generation, ensuring that the culture of saving endures. The significance of money. Money in Chinese society transcends its mere material value. It carries profound cultural and symbolic significance. Beyond being a means of acquiring goods and services, money in Chinese culture symbolizes success, prosperity, and well-being. It is a potent representation of one's achievements and financial stability. A notable example of this cultural reverence for wealth is the popular Chinese phrase, "Gongxi Fatsai." Translated, it means "I hope you get rich," or "Congratulations and be prosperous." This phrase is widely used, especially during festive occasions like Chinese New Year, and reflects the deep-rooted desire for financial success and abundance. When people exchange this greeting, it's not just a casual wish, but an expression of genuine hope for each other's prosperity. Demographics and family planning. China's one-child policy, which was in effect until 2016, had a profound and multifaceted impact on the country's demographic landscape and its approach to savings. One of the most notable consequences of this policy was that families were limited to having only one child, significantly reducing the number of dependents within a household. This reduction in family size had significant implications for saving patterns. With fewer children to raise and support, families often found themselves in a more favorable financial position. They had fewer expenses related to raising and educating children, which freed up a larger portion of their income for savings and investment. The pursuit of success. The one-child policy in China, which was in effect until 2016, had far-reaching consequences, including its impact on the country's gender ratio and the dynamics of the dating and marriage scene. One of the most notable effects of this policy was a skewed gender ratio, with a surplus of males compared to females. In a society where males significantly outnumbered females, the dating and marriage landscape became highly competitive. Men face increased challenges in finding suitable partners, as the demographic imbalance meant that there were fewer women available for marriage. This demographic shift contributed to a cultural phenomenon where individuals, particularly men, felt compelled to stand out and appear successful to attract potential partners. Aversion to debt. Unlike Western societies, where financing through credit is common, many Chinese people have a strong preference for paying for their purchases in full. This aversion to debt is deeply